Find the derivative of g of x equals to 2x minus 1 times x minus 3, then evaluate g prime of 4. G of x is made up of the product of two functions, 2x minus 1 times x minus 3. We cannot take the derivative of the product of functions independently. We can use the product rule if necessary, but if we can take the product by FOILing it out, it's often quicker. Let's FOIL this out. First, 2x times x, 2x squared. Outside 2x times a negative 3, negative 6x. Inside negative 1 times x, negative x. Last, negative 1 times negative 3, positive 3. We can now combine the like terms, the outside and inside terms, negative 6x and negative x can combine to be negative 7x. So we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Since these terms are added or subtracted with each other, we can take their derivative independently and add or subtract them. G prime of x, the derivative will be, the first term is a power rule. Bring the 2 down, multiply with the 2 to give us 4. Subtract 1 from the power. 2 minus 1 is to the first power. X to the first can be written as an x. The second term is a constant times an x. The derivative of that will be the constant. The last term is a constant with no variable at all. The derivative of that will be a 0. So g prime of x will be 4x minus 7. The next thing to do is evaluate g prime of 4, which means to plug a 4 in for every x. 4 times 4 minus 7. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 7. 16 minus 7 comes out to 9.